Hey guys, it's Aislinn. Welcome back to Pretty Hair is Fun. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use this Aima Beauty one-step hair dryer and the things I like about it. The first thing I like about this is that it's super lightweight, so it's really easy to use. Another thing that I really like about this is how it's oval shaped, because you can, while you're using it, you can use it to straighten your hair, you can curl your ends, or you can just use it to hurry and blow dry your hair. Something that I like is having the handle at the top, so instead of having to use your round brush and the blow dryer, you can just use it all in one thing and curl your hair. I really like how the buttons are right here instead of at the bottom, so that while you're blow drying your hair, you don't have to stop and let go of the piece and then change it. You can just change the temperature while you're on the piece. Something else that's really nice about this is that this part is ceramic, so it helps control frizz and it helps with heat protection and it gives your hair some shine. Also, along with these bristles, it controls your frizz and it's a lot easier to use. This cord swivels, so it's a lot easier to handle and you don't have to worry about getting caught up in the cord. When you're blow drying your hair, it comes out from the bottom, so it gives you really great volume. So when you have those second or third day hairstyles, this will give you the extra volume that you need. This comes in a bunch of different colors like pink, purple, black, or white, so when you want to buy it, check it out. When I use this to blow dry my hair, I like using it when my hair's like 80% dry, so I can just do the finishing touches with this because my hair is thicker. So when I use it, the first thing I like to do is just section off a piece, clip my hair up, and then I can just part it in half, take a section and start. As you can see, I'm all done with my hair. You can see how well it curled it and how shiny it is. Make sure to check out our description box to get yourself one of these. The link is down below. Make sure to check out our other videos and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next week.